Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into a system called OLSP. And look, it claims to have cracked the code on earning commissions online, really by focusing on one simple idea. Just stop overthinking everything and start doing.
Okay, so here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll break down what this system actually is. Then we'll get into the two main ways you can earn, set up a simple daily checklist, figure out how to master those viral posts, and finally, we'll talk about how you go from just learning this stuff to leading others.
All right, first things first, let's make this super simple. We're going to strip it all back and really get to the core concept behind the whole OLSP system.
Let's be real for a second. Trying to make money online can feel, insanely complicated, right? It feels like you need to be some kind of genius. So the whole idea behind OSLP is to challenge that. They're asking, hey, can we just make this simple? Can we get rid of all the noise and make something that works for a total beginner? So what is it really? Think of it like a roadmap. It's a framework designed to help you earn commissions just by promoting live trainings and products. The whole focus is on getting new folks to learn and, more importantly, to take action. Okay, now this is where it gets kind of interesting. They have this thing they call an ethical bribe. I love that. So instead of just hoping people show up to learn, new members actually get paid $5 for each of their first 6 trainings they attend. It's a really smart way to get people over that initial hump and actually start taking action. Okay, so now that we get the basic idea, let's talk about the money. How do your efforts actually turn into earnings? Well, there are two main ways this happens.
So you've got 2 lanes here. On one side, there's direct promotion. Your main goal here is just to get people to show up for the live trainings. You get paid for attendance, which is pretty cool, not just for sales. Then on the other side, you have your classic product sales. This is when your leads buy stuff, like the live profit builders. You earn a commission from that, but only if you're at that live profit builder level or higher yourself. And get this, for every single person you refer who actually attends one of the live trainings, you make $1. That's it, $1. They don't have to buy a single thing. If they show up, you get paid. It's a total game changer because it shifts your focus from being a salesperson to just sharing.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. This is your foundational action plan. Because success here isn't about some huge one-time effort. It's all about what you do consistently, day in and day out. You've probably heard this before, but it is absolutely true here. The fortune is in the follow-up. Seriously, people are busy. They see something, they get interested, and then life happens. The real magic, the real results, they come from following up. So what does that look like every day? It's really just 2 steps. Step 1, create a daily post. Step 2, follow up with all your leads. That's it. That's the whole shebang. Post and follow up. Simple. So here's what that looks like in a typical week. Let's say on Wednesday you make a new post. Cool. Then on Thursday, you follow up with everyone who responded on Wednesday and you make another new post. Then Friday comes around, you're following up with all your previous leads from Wednesday and Thursday, and you guessed it, you make another new post. You see how it builds? You're always adding new people while keeping the conversation going with everyone else. Okay, so we're posting every day. Awesome. But how do we make sure people actually see these posts? That's the million-dollar question, right? Let's get into mastering the viral post and how to get as many eyeballs on it as possible. All right, there are some really important rules here. You want to generate curiosity, but, and this is a big one, never put the link in your post or in the comments. Instead, you ask people to comment for info. Why? Because you send the link through a direct message, a DM. This starts a real conversation, and social media platforms love that. They reward it. And hey, there's even a tool called Viral Hub to help boost engagement. Okay, check out this example. Wow, I joined a live training yesterday and saw so many people make commissions. There's another one on Saturday, and I have 3 invites left. Comment if you want one. This thing is gold. Saw so many people make commissions. That's social proof. 3 invites left, that's scarcity. It makes people act fast, and it has a super clear call to action. It just works. So this whole process isn't just about you earning commissions. It's actually about building a foundation that you can then teach to other people. This is where you go from just being a learner to becoming a leader. So first, it all starts with you, right? You just learn the foundation, you do the daily posts, you do the follow-ups, you get it down until it's just second nature. And then, once you've got it, you show others how to do it. You just teach them the exact same simple steps you learned. The cool part is you don't have to be some kind of expert. You just need to be a little bit ahead of them.
And this is where the magic really happens. It's this cycle of duplication. Step 1, you learn the system and you earn. Step 2, you teach that system to your leads. Step 3, your leads start to earn. And then, Step 4, you earn even more from their success. It's the ultimate win-win. By helping them, you're helping yourself.
So look, you now have the foundation. And let's be super clear, this is all about consistency and helping others succeed. It's not some crazy overnight thing. It's a system. So the real question isn't whether it works. It's what are you going to build on it?